Welcome to another episode of Synergy Speaks. I'm Bushra, Clinical Director of NavaGation. Today I'm joined by the one and only Jack Morano. Jack is the Clinical Director of the Signature Prosthetic Division and creator of the Advanced Restorative team here at Absolute Dental.
It's such a pleasure to have someone with your surgical experience on our Absolute team.
Jack, I'm very excited to have you as my first guest and for the opportunity to discuss how NavaGation Synergy plays such an important role in the final restorative process. As you know, at NavaGation, we define our solutions as a guided workflow, not just a guided surgery. This motto highlights the importance of the surgically converted hybrid in the restorative process.
That is very true, Bushra. My team uses this hybrid as a prototype starting point for the final hybrid. In some cases, this allows us to predictably restore a hybrid in as little as 3 appointments. This synergy created between the guided surgery and the final restorative process has been proven invaluable to our surgeons and restorative clinicians.
I must add that this high-end prosthetics, in conjunction with a very predictable surgical solution, was 2 of the main reasons I was excited to join the Absolute family.
Yay, all right. Well, my goal as Director of Signature Division is to support our surgeons by supporting their restorative dentists with predictable workflows and world-class aesthetics on every case. So if you have any questions on our guided workflows and how it will benefit you and your team, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.
Jack, thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to be my very first guest on Synergy Speaks. And remember, it's not just the surgery.
It's a smile synergy.